blabbermouth. A person who talks too much and cannot keep secrets. She is such a blabbermouth in class. He is a blabbermouth and tells everyone everything. Groggy. Feeling tired, weak, or not fully awake. I felt groggy after waking up early. He was groggy after the long flight. Clumsy. Not careful, often dropping or breaking things. I am clumsy and drop my phone a lot. The child was clumsy and fell down. Scruffy. Looking messy, dirty, or untidy. He looked scruffy in his old clothes. His hair looked scruffy and messy. Brawl. A noisy and violent fight between many people. A brawl started after the game. The police stopped the brawl quickly. Drenched. Very wet, completely covered with water. I was drenched after walking in the rain. The kids were drenched after playing in the pool. Misfit. A person who feels different and does not fit in with others. He felt like a misfit at his new school. He stopped feeling like a misfit after making friends. eyesore. Something that looks very ugly or unpleasant. The trash on the street is an eyesore. The messy room became an eyesore. Knack. A special ability to do something well. She has a knack for cooking. I have the knack for drawing.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!